Somalia has expelled a high-ranking United Nations official from the country, accusing him of interference after concerns were raised about the actions of UN-supported Somali security forces. The Foreign Affairs Ministry said in a statement late on Tuesday that Nicholas Haysom is, quote, not required and cannot work in this country, unquote, effectively declaring him persona non grata. The United Nations is a major backer of Somalia, which is trying to recover from over 2 decades of civil war. The government's move comes after Haysom expressed concern over the alleged involvement of UN-supported security forces in the arrest of Mokhtar Robo, a former al-Shabaab commander who was stopped from contesting the presidency of the Southwest region in December. The soldiers are also alleged to have fired at people protesting Robo's disqualification.